Hello, my name is Julie Day. The purpose of this video today is to demonstrate how quickly and easily you can lock down the rest of your course and ensure all your learners complete the Start Your Learning, also what we refer to as the evidence of participation component of your course. This ensures that every learner then triggers off that funding that goes directly through to SMS, and we know the exact start date of your learners' commencement in this unit. So obviously you've got to have editing access to the unit that you're dealing with, and we make sure we're on the Start Your Learning activity, and we can see we've got the activity here and we have the Let's Start Learning quiz, which is what we're going to lock the next parts of the topics down to. So if I go to the course overview, we can see that that's not locked down yet. I've already done these other ones. So I'm going to click on the course overview, and here I am. I'm going to go to the Edit section. So if I click on that, it then opens in another window. If I scroll down, we have a Restrict Access link. I click on that, that will open it up. There are no restrictions yet. I'm going to add a restriction. It is going to be an activity completion, and the student must match the following. And here we're going to choose from the list, which will be the Start Your Learning quiz. Then that must be marked complete. So then I say Save Changes, and there you have it. The activity Let's Start Learning quiz is marked complete, so it's not available until that is done. Having said that though, this Start Your Learning and the successful completion of the quiz, it's important that we have that set up correctly too. So if I go into Edit My Quiz, and I scroll down, we need to make sure we have a grade set up in here. Sorry, not a grade, but I'm making it 2 attempts at this stage. And we have the review options. We have the general feedback, that's good. Then we go into extra restrictions on attempts. So we want to see an acknowledgement because we want it to be authenticated to the learner. We also want to look at the common course settings and common module settings, and we need to have this code. It's an important code that communicates to SMS. So EoP the unit code -1, meaning this is the first Start Your Learning or evidence of participation for this unit, for this learner. We then also go to activity completion, and we must make sure that we select when activity is complete, when conditions are met, and the student must receive a grade to complete this activity. Now that completion of that activity then triggers the opening of those other items, other topics of the course. So a learner will be able to access everything else, barring these ones that say not published to students. And that's it. I hope you find these instructions relatively easy to use, and look forward to you using them in your course.